Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program 2015 Gmc Sierra Key Fob, easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both keys present. Turn the ignition on then off 3 times, ending in the off position. Press and hold the lock button on the new fob until the doors cycle to confirm programming. Test both fobs and repeat if necessary for additional remotes. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along. Make sure the truck is in park and all doors are closed. Use the original key to cycle the ignition on and off 3 times, finishing off to enter programming. Press and hold the lock on the new fob until the doors lock and unlock. Exit programming and test the fob at a short distance to confirm success. If you hit a snag, stay calm and try simple fixes first. Confirm the replacement fob matches your vehicle model and is not a clone that needs dealer tools. Check the truck battery voltage and connections so programming pulses register. Repeat the ignition on-off sequence deliberately and press the lock button firmly. When doors cycle, the fob is programmed, and a short test walkaway will confirm reliable operation for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.